Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram profile link. So by the end of the video, you'll know how to get it, how you can copy it, and how you can share it with different friends or family over different platforms. So let's get started. Let's open up the Instagram app. Once you're inside the app, click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. When you click on that, it will open up your profile for you. Click on the edit profile option, and here you can see the username. Just click on the username option and that will open up this page. Just press and hold on this on your username and then copy it. Once you've copied this, now we need to go to a browser. So let's say we are here in this Chrome browser, and here you need to type in instagram.com/, and then you need to paste the username which you've copied. So press and hold after the slash and then press paste and then search for this. When you search for this, it will open up your profile over here. And now if you want to share the link with your friends, just click on the address bar on the top, and as you can see, you are getting an option of share over here, and you can also copy it. So click on the share option, and here it gives you all the options. Scroll to the right and you can even click on more, and that will pull out all the sharing options, all the platforms or the apps you have available on your phone. You can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you want. You are free to do that from here. So you can do this this way, or if you want to copy the link and then paste it somewhere else on your own, then you need to click on the second option of copying it. When you click on that, it says link copied. Now I'm just going to show you in Notepad the exact link which has been copied. So if we paste it over here, you can now see that this is the full link to your profile which has been copied, and now you can keep it safe. This is a good way of keeping it safe as well. If you want to paste it in Notepad on the side, you can keep it there and then you can copy paste it from here all the time. You don't have to go back to the way we've done it. And another thing is, if you remember your username, you can just type in instagram.com in a browser and then slash your wherever the link is, and then you can send it that way as well. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.